In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Power BI canvas background color when it's not changing as expected. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started. Power BI is a fantastic tool for data visualization, and a well-designed report not only conveys information but also looks appealing. Sometimes, however, you might face a situation where you want to change the background color of your canvas, but it just doesn't seem to work. Not to worry, I'm here to guide you through the steps to get your canvas background just how you want it. First off, you'll want to open your report in Power BI. Once it's open, take a look at the canvas area. Click anywhere on the blank canvas. It's crucial to make sure that no specific charts, tables, or visuals are selected. This is important because if a visual is selected, any formatting changes you make will only apply to that visual instead of the entire page. So click on that empty space, and you should see the canvas is now selected. Next, let's open the format settings. You'll find the visualizations pane on the right side of your Power BI interface. In that pane, look for the format icon, which typically resembles a paint roller. Go ahead and click on that icon, and you'll see a menu with a range of options tailored to customize your visuals. Now let's focus specifically on adjusting the canvas background. In the Format menu, scroll down a bit until you find a section labeled Canvas Background. There should be an arrow next to it. Go ahead and click that arrow to expand the section. This will enable you to see all the necessary settings that you can adjust. Once you have that section expanded, you should see a color box. Clicking on this box lets you choose from a selection of preset colors, which can be handy if you want something quick and easy. But if you're looking for something a bit more customized or branded to fit your organization's colors, you can also enter a specific hex color code. That's one of the coolest features of Power BI. It allows for that level of personalization. Now, after you've selected the color you like, you'll want to consider the transparency of the background. Just below the color selector, there's a transparency slider. If you want a solid, opaque background, set it to 0%. However, if you're aiming for a softer look where the background color has some transparency, you can gradually increase the percentage on that slider. Play around with it a little until you find the look that feels right for your report. And that's it. You've now learned how to fix the canvas background color in Power BI. With these simple steps, you can enhance the design of your report significantly. Remember, having a visually appealing report can make a big difference when presenting data. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you found this useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Power BI tips and tutorials. Happy reporting!